days before what? Your Sears card expires. No, no, not my Sears card. Not my Sears card. Not my Sears card. Ah! Hello. Oh, bye everybody. Good chocolate. Well, peanut butter actually. Oh, hi there. Eating a Nature Valley bar. Thought the camera was off. Yeah, I'll turn it off now. 2 more bites, okay? If you can't wait that long, just leave the video. Oh, I'll do that subscribing thing. I don't know what it means, but it must mean something cool since everybody's asking for it. And Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. So